Hello dear students, good morning. How are you? Very good. Are you safe in staying home? I welcome to English online class. I am Anantesh, TPCK School English teacher, Valkere. Dear students, today we are dealing with the new lesson in 10th standard, second language, second lesson. That lesson is the title. There is girl by the track. There is girl by the track. Dear students, listen the or see this sentence. Anybody guess? In this sentence is represents which sentence? Oh yes. Oh, there are. It's a exclamatory sentence. How can you guess, my dear student? So here is a mark. What is the mark represent? This mark represent the exclamatory mark. So what is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentence means sudden expressed feelings and sorrows or sadness. That type of the sentence are called to be an exclamatory sentence. So here, there means a girl. Are you here the word there is. Dear students, we are watching TV and newspaper. We are seeing many matters in the news or the newspaper. What are the news are we are heard? So yes, there are political issues, foreign affairs, some of the local matters, and most of all we see that the newspaper suddenly we are guess what is. Oh, some of the very terrible and peculiar incident. That's incident called road incident. So how, dear students, how the road accident happened? So this is accident is happened suddenly a damage by mistakes or that accident happened the carelessness of their life. So we are all seeing that in the bus stand, in the railway station, or in the market, and on the road, like highways. So there are many crossing or hitting by the vehicles, by the van, or by the trucks. So there is a loss. Many horrible incidents are happened on the road. So that may be occurs in the carelessness of our life, carelessness of carelessness of ours is also occurs to be in a road accident. Here, dear students, look at the picture here. What source is this? So this is a road. This is a track. So here there is a vehicle. The vehicle is hit by here. Look out the picture. So somebody is made an accident or hit by the vehicle. Some of them are come to help and carry the person or accident person. Someone are showing their emotions. Here there is a huge crowd. So motor vehicle is also run on the road. Here the motor vehicle, the motorist. Here then a lorry or a truck are also following. So these routes, sometimes we are not to listen or care about the road traffic rules. So there is a huge traffic. So some incident happened. That's incident are called in a road accident or road incident. What we do when the accident happened? What we do? How the people react? So listen, there are different kinds of the people we are seeing in the accident. When happened the accident, somebody comes to help, or somebody comes to put their hands to take the accident person to the hospital for the treatment, and somebody crying or showing their make voice, ayo, like that. Somebody's are, the queer people are taking their videos, and somebody's are put their phone and to call the emergency 108, and somebody's are call to the police, call to police station and inform their accident, and somebody's are help to inform the highway petrol police. So these are all the type of the people we are seeing in the road accident. But why these are all happened? Because of our carelessness. Dear students, here when you step up in the bus or the train, there is a huge crowd. Don't move or shuttle to the step up to the train, because sometimes it's happened to spoil your life or your damages, physically you are damaged, and some of incident happened totally you are lost your life. So hence I say here sometimes we are taking them more careless about myself and our surroundings, what happening. So thus the title is I explained, there is girl by the track. The girl was hit by an accident, and the vehicles are gone. But how we are have the humanity nature, so we can't see sometimes, and we can't strange persons are help to us, but we don't know about that person. So this is the humanity nature, helping nature, or kind-hearted. So these are all. So this lesson was written by Devan Kalan. Who was the author? Author Devan Kalan. Devan Kalan was a very famous writer, and in English especially. And he was born on 1930 on Tamil Nadu. So he was a very famous writer, and the essayist, and he write many stories and articles on newspaper. Partly he was a very good famous journalist. So very good famous journalist. This incident happened. It recently happened on an incident. This is a very recent incident. So this is put into the 10th standard second lesson. That is there's done by the track. So this was then a very horrible or then in sadness, how the people react in the accident. So the Devan Kalan express is the mode of impact of the people occurs in the learning of readings. So we have the moral qualities must and should in our lives. When the danger happen, sometimes may happen, and then sometimes we are seeing in the we are walking on the road, there is an accident happened. So nobody can come out to or advance to help any persons. So we are seeing that type. So this is what we say undesirable qualities. So we are the human beings. We must help those who are. We must try to have them. Hence. Here a title is nobody dare to go where there is a youngster dead. There means the courage. So there is the courage is important. The age and strength are not important. We are learning the lesson of 10th standard first lesson. So we know. So there the courage is everything. So whether a person is whether we can't expect anyone, so but we do our duties. Hence we say, do your duty what may come. We save the people, we save the lives. So it is created to be, or it is created, or it is worthy of us. So here our Devan Kalan express how accident happened, how the people are reacted in the lesson, especially in the our neighborings and the surroundings also. So first I read the lesson. listen carefully and point out some of the words which are difficult. So let us you put go find out the difficult meaning, difficult words in their meaning using of their dictionary. Now I will read to the lesson. Listen carefully. The lesson is there is girl by the track. There is girl by the track. So this lesson was written by David Kalam. So as the Mumbai train, suburban electric train made its 22nd 6:32 p.m. halt at a station, commuters swarmed out and into its 12 packed coaches. And into its 12 packed coaches, it is a regular scene in and around India's most populated metropolis. Having just managed to squeeze herself into a ladies' compartment, 21 years old call center girl, executive Roma Talreja, tried to settle into a corner near the door. The train hurtled ahead and Roma, jammed between other women, was trying to find some space to stand safely on when she suddenly got pushed. Lost her tenors, foothold and panicked. This is the first paragraph. So let's I read on second paragraph. Listen and look out. Her hands reached for the steel railing above, but finding only air, Roma was thrown out of the coach. The clattering roar of the train muffled the third of her fall on the ground more than a meter below. She was knocked senseless. Standing near the door of another train speeding in the opposite direction. 21 years old Baleshwar Mishra couldn't believe what he had just seen. A young woman in a black salwar kameez laying next to the track. Meanwhile, gasp and scream emanated from his compartment. There is girl by the track. There is girl by the track. The voice cried out. Impulsively, Baleshwara went and grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it down frantically, and the train screeched, slowing down. He then survived the compartment full of weary faces. Let's go and help! Let's go and help her! He shouted. Let's go and help her! He shouted. But nobody volunteered, afraid of getting involved, of being inconvenienced, perhaps. His heart hammering his chest. His heart hammering become faster. Just Baleshwara showed himself to the door. He jumped off the still moving train. He jumped up still moving train as he landed on the ground. A burst of pain shot up in his ankle. But there was no real damage. He got up to find part of his old rubber slippers sole torn off as a result of his faith. But Baleshwara started to spirit back between the tracks as his train picked up speed again and disappear. So now we are read on sixth paragraph. Baleshwara was so far away from Roma. So far away from Roma. He couldn't see her. I hope I am not too late. I hope I am not too late. He thought, gasping her breath. After running for several minutes, he found her sprawled by the side of the cars. बहन जी आप ठीक है? बहन जी आप ठीक है? He asked her in Marathi, sister, are you okay? Sister, are you okay? But there was no response. And no help in sight. They were alone somewhere between two stations, 5 kilometers apart in Thane district, which borders Mumbai. Now I will start to read. Let us explain the first paragraph. Dear students, in this lesson there are few characters. What are the main characters? Main role in the lesson. Here one is the lady. His name was Roma Kavle. What was the name of girl? The girl was Roma Kavle. Who was Roma Kavle? What her beauty? Where she came from? Where she was working? What is this? What was her activities in? What happened in the traveling or commuting? So this is Balaji. This is Roma Kavle. Let us see a smart information about the Roma Kavle. Roma Kavle was a very young girl. She was 21 years old. Very active girl. Very beautiful girl. She was her qualification was BCom. She was a BCom graduate. Especially she was completed in commerce. She was taking in commerce, especially in accounting and commerce. She was very brilliant, and she was also having good communication skills. So here, very dear students, let's be very nowadays we know many students they got 100% of the marks in the main examination, but they failed in the competitive examination or they communicate to people. Why? They did not have any communicative skills. So you must develop the communication skills. You must have the acquiring the knowledge of the communicating the people. What happening? How to communicate? How to behave? How to contact? So she learned many things because she was an executive manager. She was working in a call center at Mumbai. She was traveling from Pune to Bombay daily. So she was very brilliant and she was named very popular in their marketing field. She communicated to so many people. So executive means she was put on phone and called to the customers and she explained the commodities of the companies and the firms and she deal with them to and sell with their commodities to the door. So she communicated whenever there are a conflict between races in. So she solved and he compensated to the customers and he was earning some money also. So she was also very busy in their working. She loved their duties and she was also put is more strength on his work. So she was very famous in the executive field. 21 years. She was very beautiful and she was a very brilliant girl. She was in middle age. So that was the Roma Kavle. She was traveling from Pune to Bombay, but she was working in the Mumbai in a call center. You know call center? So So the call center is a put an a lady or a person put on phone to call to the customers and to sell their commodities and introduce their commodities from the unique companies, for example, mobile, Airtel, like Vodafone and other fridge, fans, and then TV. So this is, and then domestic users materials. So she was a very active girl. So second character was a very brilliant character, very dear character. He was the Baleshwar Mishra. Who was Baleshwar Mishra? Where he worked, why he was in Bombay. So these are the information we know. First, Baleshwar Mishra was a 20 years old young boy. She was a high school dropout student there, but he had a dare to courage. So, but he was a dare to courage, and he was came from Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. He was settled in. He was searching for work. He came to Uttar Pradesh to Mumbai for searching job, and he was in a very expensive boy. So he was always very expensive. He always see the movies and eating the roadside things, and he is also always spend his life with friends unnecessarily, and he was instead and searching for the work in Mumbai. So he came and but he was a kind-hearted fellow. You had a good human being. He had a very good human being, but he was unemployed. He was unemployed school dropout children. Who was unemployed? Who was dropout by here? Baleshwar Mishra. Who was Roma Talreja? Roma Talreja was a 20 years old girl. So, yes, so this is the two characters are in major characters. Another one was the major character was Roma Talreja's brother Dinesh. He was also a businessman. He put he opened one shop in outside of the city. So he was had one vehicle, and he was daily traveled in their vehicle and opened and sold commodities in their shop. He was a brother of a good brother, and he was also a well-hearted fellow of Roma Talreja. And another one character was the major character was Tempo Truck Traveler. So Tempo Truck Traveler, a driver, he was a Gujaratian. So he was a well-hearted fellow. When Roma was hit by the train laying on the blood pool, so when Baleshwar Mishra helped her or took her Roma Talreja to admit at the hospital. So that time, in the critical situation, the Tempo Truck driver, Gujarati Tempo Truck driver, helped to Baleshwar Mishra taking the body of the Roma Talreja with his truck and admitted to the Airoli, and he also helped taking the Roma Talreja to the new hospital. In that time, he was very helpful to the Baleshwar Mishra. So a Gujarati truck driver, a good driver, and he was also very well-hearted fellow here. And another one character is cop. Cop means a policeman in railways. So he was also a cop, police constable. He was also helped to the Baleshwar, and he caused to the he helped to Baleshwar to take in the Roma to the Airoli, that means a nearest hospital. So and he also put in all the belongings of Ramatal Rajas when Roma shut down the train, and he was returned to the all his belongings to the Maleshwara. So this was a good, police officer, police constable. So nice gentleman is also. He was also a gentleman. And another one was the small character is Vijay. Vijay was a beloved of Ramatal Raja. He was a fiancé of Ramatal Raja. But there is no, among this character, there is no dialogue in here. But he is also a, but sometime Ramatal Raja chatting with Vijay, his fiancé, his beloved fiancé. This is helped to see and contact the Ramatal Raja in his phone. So that's these are all the characters are role in the that is done by the track. Dear students, let's we see the paragraph first. Ask the Mumbai, which are the metropolitan cities, which are the major big cities in India: Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore. These are all the big cities. And one of the big city in India is also Mumbai. It is called the Gateway of India, Bharatada Hebbagiru. All the why we say Hebbagiru, because all the export and import commodities through the port of Mumbai. It's one of the biggest port in India also. So it's a very busy city in India also. As this incident happened in the Mumbai recently, 10th December 2010 also. So this recent incident, the road incident or the railway incident accident, that is done by the track. Dear students, as the Mumbai suburban a place outside the city. Here, especially we are known in the big cities. It's a huge area. Huge area is required for the railways, especially Indian railways. So, because there are many trains are passing through, or opposite trains are passing through, and to maintain a track, it's a wide area is required for the moving train. So hence, the city planner also put the stations, railway stations out of the city here. So on one to that station in Mumbai, in the Mumbai station, there are several trains are arrival and departed. On one train, incident happened in 2010. That's done by the track. Suburban train. This was an electric train. Here, in the outside of the city, the train was moving. What type of train? The electric train. So it's electric train is using for the electric power. Charcoal train or electric train. So train, it's a 20 second, 6:32 p.m. in post-meridian, halt at a station. There is an outside of the Mumbai, one train halt at 6:32 p.m. It is stopped only for just 20 seconds. How many seconds? It's stopping in the suburban electric train only 20 seconds. So what happening in the huge city? There is a huge population or density population. So the train will stop only 20 seconds. So you imagine what was the crowd in the railway station? How the people hurtled, move fast to set up to the train. You see in the TV or movies, many movies and then mobiles also. So that train, here one word is observe, commuters. Who are the commuters? Commuters a person who travels to workplace daily. They are called to be commuters. One word question asking in the main exception, that is the one word is commuters. Yes, remind, anybody tell me who are commuters? Commuters are a person who traveling to work place daily. So they were the commuters. So here there are huge people, there are many people who are traveling daily from Pune to Mumbai. Why? The Pune people who are have the jobs or marketing or any commercial purpose, they come to Mumbai. So there is a good transportation system, easy transportation system, very cheapest transportation system is facilities in the between the two cities. One is Pune and then Bombay. So the people are traveling in the lakhs of people who are traveling Pune to Bombay and for their studies, business purpose and purchasing and everything and many moreover any working. So the commuters were traveling in lakhs of people in a day, out and into it's a 12 packed coaches. The electrical train had a 12 coaches. How many coaches? There is only a 12 coaches. Some trains are there 30, 40 coaches, had to be 30, 40 coaches. But here the suburban electric train had a 20 coaches. Coaches means compartment, bogie. How many coaches are in? So 12 coaches. These 12 coaches with packed tightly, no place to stand. All the people were huge crowded because it's only stop, it is halt only 20 seconds in the Mumbai city. So the people were also trying to set up or catching the train. They come to or move fast to the hurdle to the train. So there is in the situation there is made or met by any incident happened. That incident or accident, railway accident here. So that incident we see in the lesson this Galpati coaches. It is regular seen in and around India's most populated metropolis. This is a regular opposite word irregular. Is the prefix. What are the prefix? The words added to the opposite words. Yes. So regular, irregular. Yes. This is the regular scene. We are seeing in the metro scene in India most populated, densely populated towns. Metropolis means densely populated or capital city like Delhi. There is a huge densely populated. Kolkata, Mumbai, Madras, Bangalore. So there are lakhs of people who are daily traveling comes on the railway stations. So this is the metropolitan cities. Can we guess then huge populated, and it is a good commercial center, and it is a very industrial center also, cultural center also, and overall huge activities are started in the new area, new colonies are then made. So the people come to the for trading, buying, selling, huge marketing, huge vehicles, huge density population in the city. Most of the Indian populated cities we see in the TVs and in movies also. So just managed the squeeze. Squeeze means an actor pressing something with one's own hand finger. So pressing. So the huge crowd, what happened? the train will be stopped 20 seconds. The huge working people or commuters, so travel from Mumbai to Pune, so they are move fast, harder to squeeze to the put to the train. What happening? So herself into a ladies compartment. In the train there are several compartments. One is the ladies compartment. It is only for the ladies. It is only for the girls, females. Some coaches are what we say ex-servicemen, and some coaches are reserved for the physically disabled persons. Some of the coaches are then senior citizens. So these are the very and there are different kinds of the coaches, general compartment, and then AC coach, and then third passenger coaches. There are several. Here we are proud to say our Lal Bahadur Shastri made a good development in the development or introduced many new systems in Indian Railways. So when he was Minister of Indian Railways, so he made a good and he was developing a new systems of the department. So we proud to Lal Bahadur Shastri here. So there are in ladies compartment, it is only for the ladies. So but it is a Tolu coaches. In the ladies compartment there are huge many females are take their place sat in the coaches. There is no space, there is no availability of their place. So the Roma Talreja went into set on the ladies compartment. What happening? So let me see. 21 years old call center executive Roma Talreja tried to settle into the corner near the door. She, dear student, Roma Talreja working. This incident happened 6:30 p.m. So the working is over. She left to their office and she halted for railway station. But the rail is comes very fastly and only stopped in 12 seconds. So it started to moving. So the very huge crowd or the very overcrowded. All the people are in the Tolu coaches. There is no space. But Roma Talreja went to put the ladies compartment to settle. She tried to settle the ladies compartment, but she was in a 21 years old girl. She was working in the executive field, so especially in the call center. She was like a manager. To settle in a corner of the door, the train halted ahead at Roma. Jammed means packed thickly between other women. So there is no gap between in the train. All the women are put on what you say hands are there in the bus. What you say put the poles on the top of the bus like that. So all they start up in a very overcrowded. There is no space for it. But she is also get up to the train and to search for the settled to travel the train. What happening? The train halted means very fast. The train was moving very fast. We know, but the train very fast. It started very slow. When it is moved, it is very fast going. So it's a very fast moving. I had Roma Talreja jammed between the other men and trying to find some space to stand safely. On when she suddenly got pushed. When he tried to catch up, then hand on the above railing of the train, but she was slipped. Another with there a huge crowd pushing to the Roma Talraja. She was in the door. Where she was? She was in the door. She was trying to catch the handle, but she was another force came out opposite direction. Suddenly she was pushed out, lost her tenos. Tenos means very weak. When she put her hand, it is she was praying, very sensitive, very weak. Foothold, tenos, and panicked. Panicked means here the word is panic. Suddenly feel frightened. What happened? Suddenly she's hand was slipped. She was frightened, afraid. So she tried to hold any materials on the train, but she couldn't catch any grip. What happened? She was afraid. Oh, she thought that I am falling in the train because there was a great force, but the train was also moving very fast, so she was very afraid. Why Roma was afraid? Roma settled to in the train. She held the railing above the train, but it was slipped, and another opposite force was pushed the Roma. Suddenly she was frightened or afraid. She was afraid and panicked, so she was very weak. Her hands reached for the steel railing above. Steel railing means very backing thickly, but finding only Roma was thrown out of the court. Suddenly the force come in behind of Roma. She suddenly thrown out of the train coaches. What happened? The cluttering roar of the train. Cluttering means surprised. Cluttering means surprised. Roaring. The train muffled. Muffled means silenced. Suddenly cluttering, making a loud sound, and suddenly a silence. So this shows silence means this was to the exclamatory sentence. Here voice and third means low sound of fall into the ground more than a meter below. So what happening? So there is girl by the track. She was slipped out from the train because of pushing the other force. So she tried to hold the hands on the railing train, but she was caught. She didn't hold the hand on the hands of the train. Suddenly she was surprised and frightened, fell down from the train, but train was very fast, so she was hit by the 2 meters below outside of the track. So she was slipped down on the train. She was knocked senseless when she slipped. So suddenly she was afraid and senseless. Who senseless? Roma Talraja was senseless. Standing near the door, another train speeding in the opposite direction. This made an accident of railway accident. So how Roma Talraja met with a road accident in this paragraph? Because there was a huge or overcrowded train pushing one side or to another side. So, but she tried to hold the hands on the railing train, but she couldn't hold them any hands. What happening? Suddenly, a pushing rolled from the coach. She fell into and slipped, shoot out the 2 meters in the road. So here, in the opposite direction, what happened? In the opposite direction, another train was speeding direction. In the train, there was a boy was traveling. His name was Baleshwara Mishra. Here already know that who was Baleshwara Mishra. Baleshwara Mishra was a 20 years old young boy. So in this paragraph we learned about the character of the Baleshwara Mishra. Baleshwara Mishra couldn't believe what he had just seen. So he was traveling from in the opposite direction of the Mohammed. He couldn't believe. He could not believe. So it's an unbelievable. Suddenly what happened? Surprised. The girl was fell down by the track. What happened here? Somebody saw crying. The voice heard out. Ayo! Ayo! Yes. But in the opposite direction, the Baleshwara Mishra was traveling on the suburban station. He couldn't. He was in a young, in a black silver kameez, a pair of light loose trousers. Silver kameez means a pair of light loose trousers. Kameez laying next to the tracks. He was just seen. Suddenly he seen what is slipped down. He looked down. The girl was thrown by the train. He could not believe. This is happened in a fraction of second. This is happened in a very fraction of second. So he catch up in his eyes, but he think. I already told you, he was a very nice gentleman and well-hearted fellow. He was in a habit of helping nature. So a well-human being. He had a well-human being character. So Baleshwara Mishra was looking. It is not unbelievable. A young woman, silver kameez, laying onto the track. Meanwhile, gas means a deep breath, like that, taken when surprised. So meanwhile means astrally breathing, so, like that. He survived. Just meanwhile, gas and scream enumerated. Scream means kirichu. Enumerated means come from. Someone comes to help her. Someone crying. Made a sound voice. Ayo! Screaming from the compartment. There is girl by the track. Like this is we say in exclamatory or we say in the emotion feelings. So there is girl by the track. Abba, oh wow. Yes, like that. Oh, there is girl by the track. So there is girl by the track. The voice cried out. Here, one question is arising in where there is girl by the track. Voice cried out. The voice was cried out from the 12 packed soldiers. All the people from also seen the girl was slipped from the train. So they are far away in 1 meter. So we think about what is the condition of the train by hit by the girl. So it's a huge material. It's a very fast. So no one can save them in the moving of the train. So but Baleshwara Mishra these are on the scene in the opposite direction. But all people were also crying. There is girl by the track. So the voice was cried out. He heard also. Suddenly he was surprised. What is impulsively means without any action. Suddenly Baleshwara went to guard the trains, read emergency chain. Suddenly he was traveling in the opposite direction. He saw the girl and the voice was also cried out, koi hey bachao. But no one can also not to be come to save the Roma because the train was very moving fast. So they tried out, but when he heard the voice, he was suddenly, impulsively, without any thinking, he jumped out. Who jumped out? Baleshwara jumped out, and he first, isn't, my dear student, when the accident happened, what we do first? First we now we are reminding our mind. First we provide the first aid. First aid means prathama chikitse. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ದುರಂತಗಳು ನಡೆದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ there are many people who are struggling for their lives, so they are in the pool of blood. So we are helped to or contact with that person to take to immediately to the hospital, but we are using, we all learn some first aid treatment. We knowing the first aid treatment also here. So dear student, what listen, he was in a school dropout, but he was not an intelligent, he was a good employee. There is no, he didn't have any, but he had a good quality, kindness and then helping nature. It's a good habit for the human being also. So hence, Baleshwar Mishra was very gentle and here. So he was doing, he dared to go where this youngsters did. Here this the sentence is very suitable for the Baleshwar Mishra. Sometimes we were dust and the train pulled it when he went to get up and pulled the red chain of the train was stopped. Frantically meaning without hope, worry, frantically that train screeching sound slowly down. When he pulled the red chain of the train, so automatically that moving train very slow. It's slow. Then he survived the compartment full of very faces. Very means worried faces. All the people were looking down like that. Saw where there was a girl was, where the girl was, how she was. So they were looking. They were worried. Ayyo, papa, ayyo, ತೊಂದರೆಪಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೋ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ ಇಸ್ರಾ ಬಟ್ ನೋ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ದ only one boy came out. So he was not worried about himself. He was trying to help to those who are in danger. That's the type of nature we are learning this lesson, dear students. Nobody compartment in the worry. Let's go and help her, he shouted. So but he was in the opposite direction. So opposite direction is also moving very fast. How can he come to and help to the Ramatanaja? He is cried or shouted. He is cried also. Let's go and help to her. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿಯನ್ನು ಬಚಾವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೋಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ನೋಬಡಿ ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಸ್ವಇಚ್ಛೆಯಿಂದ ಯಾರು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಫ್ರೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್. ಸೊ ನೋ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ come forward to help the savings of Roma College life of being inconvenienced at the house. So because it is very critical position, because all moving very fast. When we cross, sometimes the people were acting with like a nonsense behavior in the railway station. So they also listen and they, because of their carelessness. So the railway police always in front to them, but they are crossing to the railway track at the railway station. Suddenly what happened? The rail comes and hit to that person. they lost their lives. So these are all, but nobody cannot to move forward to help any persons on that situation. If they are go to hell, so they are also hit by hitting by the train also. They are also lost their lives. Hence, so there is no possibility of the people not to move forward to help in the situation. Now I will stop to here, dear students. Tomorrow we will discuss the next paragraph also. Thank you listening my lesson. Now I will stop to here.